Welcome to Kansas, a state often called the Sunflower State, and for good reason. Here, the land stretches out as far as the eye can see. A vast tapestry of prairies and farmlands bathed in the warm glow of the sun. But look closer, and you'll find this heartland of America is teeming with a surprising diversity of life. A hidden world of natural wonders just waiting to be explored. Join me now as we journey together through the wild heart of Kansas. Here in the Flint Hills region of Kansas, the land rolls and dips like an ocean of green. The undulating terrain, shaped by millennia of natural forces, creates a mesmerizing landscape that seems to stretch endlessly into the horizon. This area is a living testament to the beauty and resilience of nature, where the sky meets the earth in a seamless blend of colors and textures. This is the tall grass prairie, once a vast ecosystem that stretched across the heart of America. Covering millions of acres, it was one of the most extensive grasslands in the world. The prairie was a thriving habitat, home to countless species of plants and animals, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The tall grass prairie was not just a sea of grass, but a complex and dynamic environment teeming with life and activity. Today, less than 4% of this magnificent habitat remains, making these protected grasslands all the more precious. Conservation efforts are vital to preserving what is left of this unique ecosystem. These remnants serve as a refuge for the species that depend on the prairie for survival and as a reminder of the natural heritage that once dominated the landscape. The preservation of these areas is a testament to the dedication and hard work of conservationists and environmentalists. Look closely amongst the swaying grasses, taller than a man in places, and you'll see a kaleidoscope of wildflowers bursting into bloom. These vibrant flowers add splashes of color to the green expanse, creating a stunning visual display. Each flower species has its own unique story, contributing to the rich tapestry of life in the prairie. The wildflowers not only enhance the beauty of the landscape, but also provide essential resources for pollinators and other wildlife. This sea of grass provides sustenance for a surprising variety of creatures, from tiny insects to herds of bison. The iconic symbol of the American West now return to their native prairie home. The bison, once nearly driven to extinction, have made a remarkable comeback thanks to conservation efforts. Their presence on the prairie is a powerful symbol of resilience and recovery. The tallgrass prairie is a living, breathing ecosystem where every species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. The Kansas River, a lifeline through the heart of the state, is a vital stopover point for countless birds on their epic migrations. These journeys, spanning thousands of miles, are fueled by crucial feeding grounds like Cheyenne Bottoms. This mosaic of wetlands, one of the largest inland marshes in the United States, teems with life, a haven for shorebirds and waterfowl. Quivira National Wildlife Refuge, another critical wetland habitat, provides refuge for an astonishing array of bird species, including the endangered whooping crane. Their haunting calls, echoing across the water, are a testament to the importance of these wetlands. While Kansas is known for its prairies, pockets of rich woodland habitat thrive here as well. Around the Kansas City region, forests flourish, a testament to the power of water and fertile soil. Oak, hickory and walnut trees paint the landscape in hues of green and gold come autumn. Further west, the Smoky Hills offer a different kind of beauty. Here, rugged terrain and scattered forests provide a haven for wildlife. These woodlands, a patchwork of green amidst the prairie, are a reminder of the resilience and diversity of nature. Kansas holds a special significance for the winged wonders of the world. This state, with its vast and varied landscapes, offers a sanctuary for countless species of birds. Positioned along the Central Flyway, a major migratory route, the state becomes a crucial stopover point for birds traveling from the Arctic to South America. Each year, millions of birds make this arduous journey, relying on Kansas's wetlands, rivers, and prairies to rest and refuel. The sight of these migratory birds, from the majestic sandhill cranes to the delicate warblers, is a testament to the state's vital role in their survival. But resident wildlife also thrives here. Kansas is not just a temporary haven for migratory birds, it is a permanent home for a diverse array of animals. The state's varied ecosystems, from dense forests to open grasslands, support a rich tapestry of life. White-tailed deer bound through the undergrowth, their white tails flashing a warning signal. These graceful creatures are a common sight in Kansas's woodlands, where they find ample food and shelter. Wild turkeys, their plumage iridescent in the sunlight, scratch in the leaf litter. These birds, with their distinctive gobbles, are a symbol of the state's rich natural heritage. They roam freely, foraging for food and displaying their impressive feathers during mating season. And on the prairie, bison share their domain with prairie dogs, their calls echoing across the grasslands. The bison, once nearly driven to extinction, have made a remarkable comeback and now roam the prairies as they did centuries ago. Prairie dogs, with their complex burrow systems, play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the grassland ecosystem. Even reptiles find a home here, from the ornate shell of the western box turtle to the distinctive rattle of the prairie rattlesnake. These creatures, often overlooked, are vital components of Kansas's biodiversity. The western box turtle, with its colorful markings, can be found in woodlands and grasslands, while the prairie rattlesnake, a master of camouflage, inhabits the rocky outcrops and open prairies. Together, they contribute to the intricate web of life that makes Kansas a true tapestry of wildlife. Chapter 5. Journey west, and the landscape transforms once more. Here, in a testament to the power of wind and time, lie the sand dunes of western Kansas. These shifting sands, sculpted by the prevailing winds, create an otherworldly landscape. Further south, monument rocks rise from the prairie, a testament to an ancient sea that once covered this land. Designated a national natural landmark, these towering chalk formations inspire awe and wonder. And in a testament to the forces that shape our planet, Rock City boasts a collection of large spherical sandstone concretions scattered across the landscape like marbles left behind by a giant. Chapter 6. Kansas experiences the full spectrum of the seasons, each painting the landscape in its own unique hues. The state's continental climate brings hot summers, perfect for ripening fields of wheat and sunflowers. Autumn transforms the woodlands into a kaleidoscope of color, while winter blankets the land in a serene white. Spring brings with it the promise of new life, as wildflowers erupt in a riot of color. But Kansas is also a land of dramatic weather. Located within Tornado Alley, the state often experiences powerful thunderstorms and tornadoes, a reminder of the raw power of nature. Chapter 7. For those seeking adventure and a connection with nature, Kansas offers a wealth of opportunities. From the rolling prairies to the dense forests, the state is a treasure trove of natural beauty waiting to be explored. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual nature lover, Kansas has something to offer everyone. State parks, scattered across the landscape like emerald jewels, provide a gateway to the wild. These parks are not just patches of green. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life. Each park has its own unique charm and offers a variety of activities for visitors. Hike through the forest of Perry State Park, where the trails wind through lush greenery and offer a chance to see wildlife in their natural habitat. The park's serene environment makes it a perfect spot for both strenuous hikes and leisurely walks. Cast a line into the waters of Lake Scott State Park, a haven for fishing enthusiasts. The lake is stocked with a variety of fish, making it an ideal spot for both novice and experienced anglers. The calm waters and scenic surroundings add to the experience, or explore the unique Badlands formations of Canopolis State Park. These striking geological features are a sight to behold and offer a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past. The park also has trails that take you through these formations, providing an adventurous hiking experience. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher, a dedicated hiker, or someone who simply enjoys being surrounded by nature, Kansas has something to offer. The state is home to a diverse range of bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Or perhaps you're seeking the tranquility of nature, a place to unwind and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Kansas's peaceful landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection. Kansas's diverse landscapes offer something for everyone, so grab your binoculars and get ready to explore. The state's varied terrain means there's always something new to discover, whether it's a hidden trail or a secluded fishing spot. Lace up your hiking boots and set out on an adventure. The trails in Kansas are well maintained and cater to all levels of hikers, from beginners to experts. Each step you take brings you closer to nature and the beauty that Kansas has to offer. Or simply sit back and soak in the beauty of the sunflower state. As the sun sets over the prairies, the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, creating a breathtaking view. Whether you're exploring or relaxing, Kansas's natural beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression. From the swaying tallgrass prairies to the tranquil wetlands and the hidden forests, Kansas's natural landscape is a tapestry woven with diversity and beauty. It's a place where the wide open spaces stir the soul and the close-up encounters with wildlife create lasting memories. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Sunflower State. May its wild beauty continue to inspire and amaze.